everyone. This is Apti Nathar, child psychologist and founder of Happy Being Pakistan. As a part of series of storytelling sessions, my today's topic is Little Drop of Water. And the moral behind it is to teach your children the concept of unity and how it gives strength to ours. So let's get started. Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to tell you a story about a little drop of water. Once upon a time, there was a little drop of water who dreamt of becoming a snowflake and turning the landscape white. Years passed, and then there was a great storm, which evaporated the little water from the lake where he lived. When he reached the sky, he became part of a small cloud. As soon as the weather turned cold, the little drop looked for a nice place of country where he could fall and help cover the place in snow. But only a little bit of snow. As soon as it touched the ground, it melted. And there the little drop had to remain, waiting for the sun's rays to shine again and send him back up to the sun. When the sun shone, the little drop ascended once more, turned to snow again, and down he fell. Again, just after landing, he melted. This happened several times. Finally, the little drop vanished and joined a big cloud, where millions of other drops had crowded together. Despite being gigantic, conditions in that cloud were rather uncomfortable. A few drops were already around, making them squash up together, are made of big dust. Biggest drops at the bottom, small drops at the top. Come on, there's no time to wait. Other little drops wasn't keen on this, and he considered falling down to earth again. But nice, friendly drop next to him managed to talk him out of it. Where are you going? You don't want to take part? Seeing how surprised our little drop looked, the friendly drop explained they were preparing for a big snowfall. All of us here love snow and covering the land for days. That's why we have all gathered together. Years ago, I was tried doing it on my own, but I learned I couldn't manage it without help. I found this nice cloud where we all help each other a little. And thanks to our teamwork, we have made some of the best snowflakes ever. A little later, both drops were flying down through the sky as snowflakes, surrounded by millions and millions of others, turning the green field white. And with great joy, our little drop realized that. Thank you, kids, for listening to the story. In this story, you as parents or caregivers or teachers can instill the concept of unity among your children or students. You can ask such questions as what happened when a class was alone? And then you can ask your child or children what happened when there were a group of clouds? Have they achieved what they want or not? By asking certain questions, children will develop the concept that while working together, we can achieve and we can work more better as compared to working alone. And through this, you can then give them an idea that while working in unity, you can become a strength. Thank you.